Friends, today we are discussing about the astrology topic, that is actually theory, locking and unlocking. Before going to that, I can show on the rotation, middle rotation and lateral rotation on the bones. See, this is the femur, the lower end of the femur, it is articulates with the upper end of the tibia, like this. So, here the lower end of the femur, it is formed by the two condyles. One is the middle condyle, another one is the lateral condyle of the femur. So the middle condyle of the femur, see, this is the articular surface, middle condyle. This is the articular surface, the lateral condyle of the femur. These two condyles are articulates with the two condyles of the tibia. This is the lateral condyle of the tibia. This is the middle condyle of the tibia. It having the two articular superior articular surfaces. This is the middle condyle, superior articular surface. This is a lateral condyle, so superior articular surface is the lateral condyle. Between these two condyles, interarticular surface area is there, that is intercondylar tubercle is there. These two articular, see here the surfaces, middle side, we can identify the oval shaped articular surface is there, oval shaped articular surface. Whereas the lateral condyle, here we can identify the circle and rounded articular surface is there between this is the intercondylar area. This is the middle condyle superior articular surface, lateral condyle superior articular. These two surfaces articulates with the two condyles of the inferior middle condyle, lateral condyle of the femur. See what is locking and unlocking. Already I told in the theory part, that is the locking is terminal phase of the fully extension. See, you know that flexion extension of this, that is the hinge variety of joint. When the flexion of this joint means it is becoming like this. So when the flexion of the knee joint, this, so this by the muscles or the hamstring muscles, whereas the fully extension is the extension by the hamstring muscle, that is the quadriceps femoris muscles. Quadriceps, four muscles are there, that is the vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, vastus intermediate. Next another muscle is the rectus femoris muscles. So this flexion is by the semitendinous, semimembranous biceps femoris muscle. So it is a normal. But when is a fully extension, that is the terminal phase of the extension, at this time, these two articular surfaces of the femur, two articular surfaces of the tibia. So this is the extension. When you fully extension of the knee joint, what happens? Middle condyle surface, middle condyle is larger than the middle condyle of the tibia. So at this time, fully extension of the knee joint, this lateral condyle of the femur and lateral condyle of the tibia, it is tightly, it is articulates and make a vertical axis. It make a vertical axis. At this time, this middle condyle is not, it is more than this articular surface of the tibia. That time, this condyle moves medially like this. So this middle rotation of this is known as the locking of the knee joint. So by this locking, all the tendons of like a cruciate ligaments, lateral fibula or collateral ligament, and middle side is the middle collateral ligament, that is tibial ligaments, become a tight to the fully extension of the knee joint, that is by the quadriceps femoris muscle. Locking muscle is the quadriceps femoris muscle. So next another is the starting phase, like the initial phase of the flexion. It is the initial phase of the flexion. See, you know the flexion how it is happening. So when in initial phase of the flexion, at this time what happens? The middle condyle of the femur, it rotates laterally. It rotates laterally. That is the opposite action of the locking. At this time, the middle condyle of the femur it rotates on the tibia, lateral rotates. By this initial phase of the flexion is known as the unlocking of the knee joint by the popliteus muscle. So this is the initial phase of the flexion, that is unlocking by that is the popliteus muscle. If you want to see the fully flexion of the knee joint, that time this hamstring muscle take the place of this flexion of the knee joint, whereas the locking stage, that is the hamstring muscles, that is the extension, but fully terminal phase of the extension or the fully extension of the knee joint by that is hamstring muscles, that is the middle condyle rotates middle side, that is the locking and this is the unlocking. Medial rotation is the fully extension of the knee joint. Lateral rotation is the initial phase of the flexion. This is extension, this is the flexion of this. This is a locking, this is a unlocking. Locking by the hand, that is the quadriceps femoris muscle, whereas unlocking is the popliteus muscle, and the remaining flexion continuation taken by the hamstring muscles. So this is the locking, unlocking of the knee joint. At the time of the locking, medial rotation, but at the time of the initial phase of the unlocking is the popliteus muscle. So this is locking and unlocking of the knee joint. So thank you. వచ్చిందా?